Welcome to another episode of Mighty Mods.
G'day, Marty.
Hey man.
How are you, dude?
I'm alright.
Mad. Alright, a lot of people saw our boost gauge video and asked if we can show them how to put in a tacho.
Maybe you've got an old car that doesn't have one.
Or maybe you just want to put in one that's really, really big. Let's get to it.
These are the tools you're going to need. Multimeter, heat shrink, some power wire and signal wire, solder, tape, a lighter, and a soldering iron.
If your car's not that quick like ours, a big gauge lets you know exactly how fast you're not going. Most tachos will come with a switch that tell the tacho what kind of signal to expect. In this case, we need to switch it to 4-cylinder mode. The hardest part of this install is tracking down the RPM signal wire. If your car already has a tacho gauge, then the job's much easier. You can find the wire from your wiring diagram and simply splice into it. In our case, the wire we're after is the yellow-blue wire at the ignition coil.
Rather than drilling holes in the firewall of your car to run the wires through, sometimes it's easier to use a hole that's already there, so a grommet for your aircon or whatever you can find.
If you've got an older car with a distributor, you can grab the tacho signal from the negative side of the coil located in the engine bay. If you've got a more recent model car, the RPM signal's probably sent through to the ECU from a sensor in the engine bay. Splice and solder in the signal wire for the tacho. Solid earthing point prevents problems down the track. Use heat shrink where possible to make sure that your soldering points last. The tacho needs a 12-volt ignition switched power supply and an earth to operate. Check out a wiring diagram for your car or hunt around with a multimeter until you find power that turns on and off with the accessory circuit of the car. The next step is to attach the gauge to the car. The A-pill is the usual spot for a tacho like this, so let's put it on. If you're worried about damaging your A-pillar trim, you can pick up a cheap second-hand one from a wrecker to screw in instead. Lastly, set up the shift light and set it to the desired RPM. Okay, let's see how it goes.
Look how Euro it looks. European flames, European lights, European LEDs. Alright, so there it is. What do you reckon, Marty?
I reckon now I know exactly how slow we're going.
And it's illegal and we'll probably get our window smashed. See you next time.
Bye.